Daka thong bah khmat e banyele kat bala banai ka jing sumar bat banya daya ki breu ki ba pangshini ki bala banyo ya ka jing pang diabetic retinopathy kaban kta ya ki blok khmat ne ki retina ka Shri Sankardev Netralaya Guwahati bat ka Meghalaya Blindness Control Society Shillong kala penlong ya ka screening diabetic retinopathy camp menha ka arpa khnai trek unailar hapos Shillong Civil Hospital Haswa masadang ya ka jing ai jing sumar ya ki pajba na ka benta bantes ya ka jing pangshini bat pang khmat kaladan gajing yang langka bakurpang ban pensyai bat pensothu ya ki pajba halor kani gajing pang lingba ki doktor jongga Shri Sankardev Netralaya Guwahati yang kani gajing yang lang lawan ban play the chief secretary ke Jilla Meghalaya uba PBO Waziri haringkat gajing dan lang additional chief secretary ke Jilla Meghalaya Uwai Tisering medical director ke Shri Sankardev Netralaya Dr Harsha Bhattacharjee advisor ophthalmology member secretary ke MBCS Dr MS Nonghulu bat kiwe uba wajri habakran kum ukangsan ulai ka jingyaro ya kane ka kenhun kaba yeshim ya kane ka sinjam bante nakam ya kane ka jingpang bat ukhmi linti baling bakum kini ki jaj program bakin long ka jingger khu ya ki patba nong song snong kari India.
This is the kind of commitment which I would like to see, and I know that if we have this kind of an approach and spirit, it's not that we can do well only in health services, but there are many other areas which we can do well, and I'm very sure that our country as a whole needs that kind of commitment in the various fields. So I would like to thank Dr. Bhattacharya and to thank the health department for organizing this, and I hope that this will definitely give the kind of you can say the awareness activities that we're doing, the camps which we are having will have an effect. Number one, creating more awareness not only among doctors and paramedical staff, but awareness also among the population. What we can do to prevent various kinds of illnesses.
Kanpa na kalyang Dr Harsha Bhattacharjee ulai thu bakidan bunjat kijing pangkman kum kijing pang nyangmat conjunctivitis kajing dina ha kabori kabaki khot ka refractive error kata ka myopia bat ka hyperopia bat kumju halwar ka jingpang sini ne ka diabetic retinopathy kaban sakta ya ka khmat lada umla basumarang kloi nalor kani uloong bakidan hadu kumba 40% ia kibrio hakari India kidi gipayo ya ka jingpang blindness ya ka ba katanat ka kot ka khya jong kari India kalalap Shushu ulong baka jingpang diabetic retinopathy kadai ka bakta bahaya kibrio kipladan South Coast namshining bat ka dankam yaki bakin one check up shisien chisnam khrang banyada yaladie na kania ka jingpang nalor kani ul akintu baki dei banshem yaki lat kilinti banyada yaka bat ban hikai yaladie bakin yat kai step bat ban bam yaki jingbam ki batei yakamen bat ru ka jingbam yang por.
Ideally, every individual above 40 years of age, at least once a year, they should check their blood sugar. If the blood sugar is high or a non-diabetic, everybody should check up their eye every year, once in a year, to detect diabetic retinopathy and to get the treatment done, particularly the laser treatment to prevent diabetic blindness. And it is effective in 95% situation. But if the disease advances, then so many other treatments are required and the disease result may not be very satisfactory. So, prevent diabetic retinopathy, early detection of diabetic retinopathy and treatment, laser treatment, these are the main armamentarium for control of the diabetes blindness.